In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create interactive button in Scratch. Let's get started. I'm going to delete this one. Go in here, find a button. This one looks okay. Go in events. When I start flag, click Control forever, if and else. And in sensing, when we're touching mouse pointer, then in looks, switch custom to B, else switch custom to A. Okay, you can see that when mouse is over, it goes to the second custom, which is this one. We can also use set color. I'm gonna put it in here. Set color to 70, for example. Duplicate, set color to 0 for default value, and you can see that it goes to something pinkish. Okay, you can change this number to your favorite color for the mouse over. And let's go for mouse click. Go in control, if and else in here. Go in variables, create a new variable called clicked for this sprite only. Set clicked to 0 at first, and then in operators we need to have AND operator, equal operator. In variables, if clicked is 0 and if mouse is down, here it is. Okay, we're gonna set click to 1, and let's go in control, add an if in here. I'm gonna duplicate this and put it in here and say if mouse is not down and clicked is 1, I'm gonna set click to 0. Okay, so let's have a scale effect for that. Set size to 80 when clicked, and set size to 100 default value when it's not clicked. Okay, you can see that when I clicked, it goes like this. So that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next video.